Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 great horror movie endings.
City?
Yeah, we're just heading up.
Just get the keys.
I don't know where they are.
There are countless examples of horror movies that wants to give the most satisfying conclusion for the story being told. So here are 5 examples of horror movie endings ever. The Mist. The Mist's ending is quite divisive, which is also a part of why it is so great. It's one of the bleakest conclusions of a modern horror movie, one that leaves you screaming at the screen. Even after David escapes with his son, the other 3 survivors keep driving and see no end in the sight of the mist. Realizing they have no way out, they agree to let David shoot them one out of mercy. David shoots everyone in the car, including his own son. As he frantically begs for the creatures to take, the army shows up a few seconds later, eradicating the mist. It's a gut-wrenching ending that leaves you feeling completely empty.
Not like any I've ever seen.
Get Out. What makes Get Out's ending so fantastic is how it manages to both terrifying and cathartic in just a few seconds. After Chris gets up the upper hand of Rose, he begins to strangle her. Then, flashing blue and red light appear. Your stomach just drops at this due to real-life circumstances of what would happen. Chris is a black man standing in a white woman, which means he would be done for regardless for what actually happened. Thankfully, it's actually just Rod saving the day. Rod says it's best, I told you not to go in that house. The Thing. John Carpenter's The Thing still remains one of the greatest horror movies ever made. The wonderful cast of characters, the sense of paranoia, and its groundbreaking practical effects all lead to the cold and ambiguous ending. After McCready blows up the alien with a satisfying "yeah, fuck you too," the film brings the tone back down. McCready and Childs have accepted their fate. They sit down and relax in the blistering Arctic setting, ready for the cold to take them. What makes it so ambiguous if you are not sure whether Childs is actually himself or the alien?
Or feel it. I know I'm here.
The Cabin in the Woods. Joss Whedon's The Cabin in the Woods is a brilliant horror satire that goes out with a bang. It's revealed that film's events are being controlled by an underground facility. As part of a ritual, teens at this cabin are supposed to pick their fates with different evils and monsters. In an outrageous third act, Dana and Marty unleash all of the monsters upon the facility. It's then revealed that this ritual must finish or else ancient gods will rise from beneath. Instead of saving humanity, however, Dana and Marty decide maybe it's time for a do-over. The film ends with a giant hand coming up from the ground, dooming the world. Ready or Not. Throughout the entirety of Ready or Not, the audience is constantly wondering if this Lee Thomas curse is even real. As part of a family tradition, each new member must play a randomly drawn game. Grace had the unfortunate luck of picking up hide and seek. After Grace survives the night, a few minutes pass and nothing happens to the family, suggesting it was all fake. Then, in hilarious fashion, the family starts to explode one by one. Grace just can't help but laugh hysterically as her murderous in-laws get blown to bloody bits.
Be a part of your family.